once a stranger in a land of opportunities. Now Sonam Lhamo is living what she calls the Aussie dream. The Tibetan refugee fled her homeland for India, leaving her family behind at just 10 years old.
When I was young, it's really hard, but now, because of the internet, and then we can connect, we can use WeChat or whatever, we can do a conversation, and then nowadays it's better.
More than a decade later, she arrived in WA in 2019 and found her new home in Perth South. And in just 3 years, has sponsored her husband to join her, bought a house together and is planning on opening a Tibetan restaurant. The 27-year-old is also finishing off her pathology studies while working at a nursing home in Rockingham.
How are you guys doing? Sometimes the aged care is a bit hard, like physically, but although I love it.
Giving back to the community she calls her own.
It's a reciprocated love, and they fit in with the community like they've always been here.
They really like a daughter and son, and we have our own daughter and grandchildren, and they love them to bits too.
Sonam is one of many refugees the Australian Red Cross has helped successfully settle and build a life in WA.
Sonam's story is a really beautiful example of how, when given the right opportunities and with the right personal qualities, a person can really succeed and flourish in Australia.
More refugees could soon be given that same opportunity. Last year, Australia's humanitarian program accepted just over 13,000 people, well below the target of nearly 19,000. Meanwhile, Labor's committed to increasing the country's refugee intake to 27,000 per year and expanding the community-sponsored refugee program to 5,000 places. It's a promise Sonam hopes to see implemented, offering people like her a chance at a better life.
Whatever they want to do or whatever they have a plan, or go for it. If I will get a citizen over here, then maybe I can go. I don't know, but I hope I can go back to Tibet and meet my parents.
One more dream she's hoping will come true. Tabarak Al-Jarood, ABC News.